Sup, ladies?
Sup, ladies? We got some goodies in.
Yeah.
That shit's unruly.
And we also went and picked this Power Glide up. It's a Cook's Racing Power Glide, 176 gear ratio. So we're gonna hopefully be able to hold this one in a lot longer. That 200 R4, we're getting too many mixed reviews. We might build it and play with it later, but right now, this is the more ideal choice, even though this is the end game anyways. This is gonna be our drag racing trans. Just gonna use it for street for right now. And then over here, we got VMS wheels. We got skinnies for the front. We're only doing 10-inch wide right now on the rear. So that's 488 lug pattern. Got QA1 rear coilovers came in. Cross member for the transmission. Where's it at?
What?
Where's the coilover? Right here. That's the one that we put together.
So we got these nice QA1s going full coilover.
That's for the rear.
Still waiting on the fronts. They haven't made it.
Move this stuff out of the way. Let's throw it on the ground. Let's go ahead and open one of these wheels and show them what we're doing.
Yeah, I'm ready to see what the wheel looks like.
Oh yeah, I ordered him and didn't even show you.
He had no say-so.
Stupid knife.
I had to say so on the size.
So these are VMS wheels. It's an 18-inch wheel. You can't even see it.
Oh, dude, that's gonna look good.
So
That's slick.
VMS 5 stars. We kind of cheated. Instead of doing the Mickey Thompson front tires, we'll have to show you what tires we got. We actually got them at Walmart. But they are car tires, not trailer tires.
Let's go check it out and see what they look like on the car.
So with the coilovers and everything, we'll drop it down, get the tire on it. I think it's gonna sit pretty good. Coilovers will be here tomorrow for the front. Tires will be here.
What size were these? 18 and a half
18
for the front.
by 5s.
And then we got some 15 by 10s for the rear.
I haven't even. Might not need to show you that rear much. That's a 10-inch wide wheel.
It's definitely a 10-inch wide wheel. Oh
Old deep disher.
yeah. Oh, they're gonna be sick, dude.
Budget welds, baby.
15 by 10s, 18 by 5s.
So we'll have more stuff tomorrow, and we got some makeshift mounts for now. And we're gonna take them off. We got everything where we need them to be.
We got some tight fitment right there, but it clears.
Go and show them our buddy hanging out with us today.
He's still chilling.
So, thanks for watching that part, but we're not done. As you can see, we got some good goodies that came in. I got VMS wheels and everything, but we do have a lot more work to get done on this car, so we're gonna get to that. But this next part of this video is just for y'all. Y'all want to start the drama? So we're gonna get in it. So this is for all the trolls out there. All right, so what do you think about the alternator? You think we can relocate it down here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Such an idiot.
So we're gonna experiment on this. Everybody says K-Series weighs a little bit more than the LS when fully dressed.
I don't believe it.
I don't believe the internet. So we have race car scales. We already tested it. I don't know how the hell it says I weigh 238 because I don't think I'm that fat.
I'm 215.
But it said 215 on him, so I guess I've gained damn weight somewhere Christmas, Thanksgiving, something.
It's 100% on the scale.
Got all the slack in the world.
Weighs 475 pounds.
So just to show y'all. Well, if I can get the stupid thing out. So. Well, I won't focus. Either way, 474 pounds is what this thing says it weighs. That's without an alternator. Where's the alternator? Let's go ahead, add a little bit extra onto it. There's the alternator from it.
That puts us at 488.
488. All right, what else do we take off? Just to make sure.
I think that's it.
I think that's it too. Yep. So 488 pounds for an LS2 aluminum block. Now for reference, fully dressed K-Series, we're gonna have to do forward backer, that side of the sun. We're gonna set this on the scale, see how much it weighs. This is a complete motor, the whole works. You got it?
Woo! 300 on the dot.
Holy crap. All right, now look, just for reference, it's one finger, just to balance it so it doesn't fall over. £301 pounds. That's turbo, manifold, intake manifold,
Dump tube, waste
crank pulley, it's everything. So,
minus alternator.
minus alternator. Wait, we got an alternator, hang on. Do we have an alternator? You know what, let's go ahead and get it up. I got a K-Series starter here. Let's throw that on there. Set it on there gently. Doesn't scratch anything. All right, where's the alternator? You know what, we'll use their alternator. It's bigger and heavier. Might actually balance now. Will it balance?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, nobody's touching. That's a bigger alternator, weighs more, and a starter. Missing coil packs. We're at 331 pounds.
So it's still significantly lighter.
100 pounds, even with flywheel and everything, all day. So, and who knows what we're gonna cut out with the cradle and everything. So, for those that are saying it's not cutting that much weight,
I mean, 100 pounds, 100 pounds.
that's a full K24. I mean, it's timed, ready to crank type stuff. So, I know it's not a lot, but 100 pounds is a 10th second and a quarter. All right, well.
That just proves a point.
So all you internet warriors, it's done been proven. And if you want for justification, I won't even cut the film right now so you can't say we cheated on the scales. Let's lift that motor off. And I'll stand on it or you stand on it. I don't need people knowing my weight. That was on film. You lifted it off without... That was what was balancing it. You were. Can't believe you did that. You just got done saying, all right, that's going to counterbalance it. All right. Well, there goes the cut part. So, all right, you getting on scale?
Yep, I'll get on it.
All right. There's Austin. Full of mighty. Go straight to the scale. 216 pounds. All right, get off. 1 pound, 0. So the scale is definitely zeroed and accurate.
Got him! Got him!